In this video, I will show you how you can fix if you're unable to enter into recovery mode on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to fix this issue, first of all, you will need a charging cable. Now just make sure that the cable which you're using supports data transfer. If you use a charging cable which is for charging only, you will not be able to enter into safe mode. Now after you grab a charging cable which supports data transfer, now just grab one end of the charging cable and insert it into your laptop or to your PC. Now, if you plug the cable into the adapter or you plug your phone directly to charge, this method will not work. You have to connect one end of the cable to your laptop or to your PC. Now you don't have to do anything on your laptop or on your PC, just connect the cable to your laptop. After that, just grab the other end of the charging cable and plug it to your phone. Once your phone detects the charging cable and once it starts charging, now the next step is just open the quick settings and tap on the power icon. From the power menu, just select power off. Now just completely power off your Samsung phone. And once it is completely powered off, just press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time until you see the Samsung logo on the screen. And after you see the Samsung logo on the screen, just release the power button and press and hold the volume up button. And the process will look like this. Just press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Just keep pressing and holding both of these buttons. And as you see the Samsung logo on the screen, just release the power button and press and hold the volume up button. And after you do that, your phone will enter into recovery mode. Just like that. Now just remember the button pressing process. Press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. And as you see the Samsung logo on the screen, release the power button but keep pressing and holding the volume up button. And by doing that, your phone will enter into recovery mode. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.